Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been waiting for the Cosmic desktop environment to become even more polished, then there's some great news. System 76 has officially released the long-awaited frosted glass effect, and it's now rolling out to Pop! OS 24.04 LTS users. The interesting part is that many people expected this feature to arrive with the future Cosmic 2.0 release, but System 76 decided to release it much earlier. So, what exactly is frosted glass? It's a new visual effect that gives parts of the desktop a blurred, translucent, glass like appearance. Some people have compared it to Apple's liquid glass design. Although System 76 hasn't officially said it was inspired by it, either way, the goal is simple: make the desktop look cleaner, more modern, and more visually appealing. Now, this feature doesn't add any new functionality or improve performance, it's purely a cosmetic enhancement. But if you enjoy customizing your Linux desktop, it's a very welcome addition. Enabling it is easy. After updating your Pop! OS system, open Cosmic Settings, go to Display, then Appearance, select Style, and you'll find the new Frosted Glass option. It's disabled by default, so you'll need to turn it on yourself. What makes this feature stand out is its flexibility. Instead of applying the effect everywhere, you can decide exactly where you want it. You can enable frosted glass for application windows, the desktop panel, applets, or the entire system interface. You can even combine these options however you like. If you enable it for the system interface, the effect will appear on the Cosmic Launcher, the application library, workspace overview, lock screen, and various on-screen controls, giving the desktop a much more consistent look. System 76 also lets you fine-tune the effect. You can adjust the glass opacity to control how transparent everything looks, and you can change the frost thickness to increase or decrease the blur effect. These small customization options make a big difference and allow everyone to create a desktop that matches their personal style. Personally, I think frosted glass looks best with the dark theme. The darker background really makes the glass effect stand out while keeping everything clean and easy to read. Although this is only a visual update, it's another example of how quickly the Cosmic desktop environment is evolving. Every new release makes it feel more polished, and features like this help Linux desktops compete with the best looking operating systems available today. Right now, Frosted Glass is available for Pop! OS 24.04 LTS users. If you're running Cosmic on another Linux distribution, you'll likely receive the update once the latest packages reach your distro. Overall, I think this is a nice quality of life improvement. It won't change how you work, but it definitely changes how your desktop feels, and that's something many Linux users appreciate. So, what do you think about the new frosted glass effect? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.